Hi, Matt here from Crooks Cabinet Makers. So for a while I've been wanting to repair my Makita site saw, so without further ado, let's show you what I've been up to. So the main problem I had with the Makita saw initially was the fence. It died pretty early on my saw, so I had to make a replacement fence. So I've made several versions of this. In fact, I've got the old one in the bin. Let's pull that up, tighten that up, and there we have really solid fence. So at this end I've clamped onto a threaded bar, and it's quite a little bit counterintuitive, but unwinding it tightens the other end. So all I need to do, just press it firm and tighten off. That's so tight now, that's really solid. With the new fence extension I can cut up to 700mm in width. So I'll put a new guide rail in this side and this side. And I can easily move that the full length of the table. One hand, nice action. Beautiful. Now those people who know me may not be surprised to find out I've got a router table in here as well on this side. Easy access to the chuck and the bits. Super fast rise and fall. I hope you enjoyed the look around of the saw. As far as I'm concerned, it's really beautiful. It cuts dead straight, and it's so nice to have a router table in there as well. You know, it should be a good saw for many years to come. I did look at the prices, and these saws still run from around about £400 to £500, depending on what kind of deal you get with it. All right, so thanks for watching. Have a nice day. Stay safe in the workshop. With the new fence, one more time. This is the same router insert from the other router setup from the other set. This is the router set. New battery. Beautiful.